How to remove someone from a group message on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page. You can view all your messages over here. From this page, open any of your group messages. Then, tap on the group name at the top. You can view the group and group members' information over here. Tap on the members as shown. If you want to remove someone from the group, hold their name and swipe left. Then, tap on Remove beside. Tap on Remove again to confirm. You have now successfully removed this person from the group. You can repeat this to remove the other members as well if you want. Following these steps, you can easily remove someone from a group message on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.